List of Star Trek Deep Space Nine episodes. Star Trek Deep Space Nine is the third live-action television series in the Star Trek franchise and aired in syndication from January 1993 through June 1999. There were a total of 176 episodes over the show's 7 seasons, which are listed here in chronological order by original air date, which match the episode order in each season's DVD set. The first episode, Emissary, the 4th season premiere, The Way of the Warrior, and the series finale, What You Leave Behind, originally aired as 2-hour presentations, but were subsequently aired as sets of 2 one-hour episodes in reruns. Series Overview. Overview. Episodes. Season 1 1993, Season 2 1993-94, Season 3 1994-95, Season 4 1995-96, Season 5 1996-97, Season 6 1997-98, Season 7 1998-99. Reception. In 1999, Trek Nation's Greg Fuller said the series had been successful among its peers, writing even when it became a near-serial show. Usually, long-term serial shows are ratings disasters. Witness Babylon 5 airing in prime time in less than 60% of the nation. DS9 managed well over a 4.0 average in its final 2 years. They rated Season 6 as the very best season of any Star Trek season up to that time. Their ranking zone Season 6, 6 Season 7, 15 Season 5, 18 Season 2, 20 Season 3, 21 Season 4, 26 Season 1. In 2016, The Washington Post called the Dominion War story arc in the later season of Star Trek Deep Space Nine possibly the richest narrative of the Star Trek universe.